What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best smart toilets in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're looking for a product that'll provide you with the greatest value for the money invested, we say look no further than the Eplo Smart Toilet for You, also known as the best value smart toilet available on the market in 2023. Eplo is the foundation of good health. It offers a variety of bidet solutions that provide a top-notch hygienic cleaning solution you never knew you needed. Whether you want the convenience and mobility of a bidet or a fully functional smart bidet toilet seat, they've got you covered. Heated seats, endless hot water wash, and hot air dryer are available with their luxury bidet range. Eplo smart toilets are an all-in-one bidet and toilet devices with combined functions of toilet and electric bidet. Replace your home toilet with one of these bidet toilets and you'll have a revolutionary bathroom experience with their luxurious features such as self-lifting lids and automatic flushing. This electric toilet features an ultra-slim tankless design with a simple yet modern style. It's made of high-quality ceramic material and has a wireless remote control. The device also includes a soft self-opening and an LED nightlight. It has an automatic flush outside the seat and feet, but you can also control the flush with the side button and remote control. Its double flush technology will activate 2 siphon flushes and double cleaning. Also, the Eplo Smart Toilet has an instant heating feature that provides a heated seat, hot water, and a hot air dryer. For the most intimate care during cold winter days, this product has 6 levels of temperature adjustment. The device also allows washing in multiple ways. You can choose a mobile wash, a self-cleaning nozzle, and more. The toilet is equipped with low-pressure startup technology, which is suitable for relatively low water pressure in residential areas. It solves the problem of the pressure flush toilet not working with low water pressure. Also, air purification is excellent. The super absorption force of diatoms can not only absorb odor particles, but also convert harmful particles into oxygen particles, creating an oxygen-rich space and keeping the bathroom environment fresh all the time. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present to you the Smart Bidet SB1000 Smart Toilet Seat, which in our humble opinion is the best bidet smart toilet on the market in 2023. We are looking at an economical bidet seat. It has a soft closed lid and different models are available for round or elongated seat designs. The device also has a front and rear washer, as well as a thermal dryer. There's a turbo wash if you want to achieve a fairly powerful operation. All settings are made via a practical remote control, and the energy savings mode can be used to reduce the impact on the environment. According to the manufacturer, the installation and maintenance processes are simple. Its multi-wash functions work well thanks to the self-cleaning nozzle and oscillation. The nozzles begin to be cleaned before and after each use. Versatile washing ensures hygienic washing for both men and women. It offers 3 hot water options to give us the best service. In addition, you can change the nozzle in 5 positions for the best wash. During washing, you can choose the ideal water pressure between 5 levels. Your hot air dryer is a smart alternative to toilet paper. It'll provide the best user experience and comes with a quiet, soft close lid. Therefore, the probability of breakage is almost 0. The device switches to energy saving mode as soon as the user finishes his work. Also, the cordless tool fits in the palm of your hand. A remote mounting bracket is attached to it, which is always within easy reach. This Smart Bidet SB1000 Smart Toilet Seat comes in white, as you might have guessed, and weighs 10.4 pounds. It's oval in shape and has a size of 20.6 by 17.95 inches. Also, as soon as you sit on this toilet, the skin sensor is automatically activated, which is particularly liked by users. All in all, this is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. If you're ready to spend a few dollars more in order to get a product of top quality, we especially single out the Haro Luxury Smart Toilet for You, which grabs the title of the best premium smart toilet in 2023. The smart toilet combines all the best features of premium smart toilets. This luxury product provides you with the most efficient cleaning. The premium glaze helps prevent residue from sticking, while an electric water pump provides a powerful flush to maintain cleanliness. Furthermore, clear water and ultraviolet rays help to keep the nozzle clean. The air purification system does not harm the environment, which is a very important feature. There is an automatic sensor to kick to open and close the lid, and powerful drain monitoring when you go to work hands-free. There is also a remote control, which comes in handy and make the whole process even more efficient. This product provides you with considerable comfort and offers many functions, including face wash, back wash, continuous wash, women's wash, power wash, and it's an all-in-one solution. Of course, there are also easily adjustable temperature settings and an adjustable pressure feature. Haro Luxury Smart Toilet also comes with a massage and pulse washing function. It sports a very powerful washing core, which has a special ecological washing regime, Tornado. In terms of design, the Haro Luxury Smart Toilet has a very modern and elegant look and comes with an automatic opening and closing function. Therefore, it'll fit into any interior without any problems. Another advantage that's important to mention is that this product provides you with absolute comfort because the heating board will warm you, so you'll not feel the cold, as is the case with other toilets. Also, users have a 12-month warranty and always great customer service. And finally, we need to mention the dimensions of the product, which are 26.97 by 15.75 by 18.5 inches, while the weight is 105.8 pounds. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Up next, we present to you the Woodbridge BO960S Smart Toilet, which in our opinion has quite deservedly won the silver medal and the title of the runner-up Best Smart Toilet available on the market in 2023. The Woodbridge BO960S Smart Toilet is an attractive, smart, modern-looking toilet with a sleek, low profile, elongated seat for maximum comfort and style. This toilet also has a built-in blue LED nightlight to help you navigate safely in the dark, and heated seat which is perfect in winter months. It comes with several modern features such as self-washing, self-cleaning, automatic deodorization, and UV sterilization. Not only are they an attractive piece in your bedroom, but they're also hygienic. The luxury features of these toilets include a heated seat, hot water jets, and hot air drying, leaving you clean and dry every time you use them. The Woodbridge BO960S Smart Toilet comes with great features: flush after flush, pulse flush, feminine flush, adjustable pressure flush, and hygienically filtered water that leaves you feeling clean and fresh. The bidet spray wand with automatic flushing and automatic opening and closing results in convenient hands-free operation. This ensures an exceptionally clean experience for you, your family, and all guests. With the wireless remote control, you can control your smart toilet without touching it. This makes for a cleaner experience and offers more convenience. Key features that users single out that they like the most are automatic opening and closing, automatic retrieval, instant seat heating, as well as an attractive LED nightlight. Most features are fully customizable. Because of this, you have full control over most of your toilet systems, allowing you to tailor the experience to your exact needs. The entirety of this toilet is extremely hygienic. Each of the bidet settings enables clean and hygienic washing, while at the same time reducing the need for toilet paper. All water coming out of the bidet is filtered, ensuring it's as clean as possible. The Woodbridge BO960S Smart Toilet comes in white and measures 32 by 19 by 26 inches and weighs 114.8 pounds. There is a deodorant inside the toilet for this product. As this deodorant works, the air around the bathroom is taken and pushed through an ionized carbon filter. All unpleasant smells and odors are eliminated by the flow through this filter. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Finally, after carefully summarizing every single relevant factor, we have come to a unanimous conclusion that the Vovo Stylement Smart Toilet is the best overall smart toilet available on the market in 2023. Vovo's range of luxury toilets has all the features: heated seats, automatic double flushing that senses how much water is needed, a built-in bidet with a hot air dryer, remote control, and self-cleaning systems. It uses a water-saving tankless system, also designed to use as little water as possible during operation, and makes the elegant design a little more compact. There's a UV light that automatically sterilizes the dish, along with an automatic rinse that activates when you stand up. Also, the built-in smart seat sensor detects the user to distinguish between small and large rinses, providing hands-free operation. In addition, if you want a turbo mode, it contains a tornado wash that powerfully cleans the inner bowl. And another important item which customers particularly like is that the Vovo Stylement Smart Toilet comes with an automatic deodorization system that helps to remove unpleasant odors. In terms of design, this product comes with a wider square seat shape that gives you a more comfortable feeling when sitting. It also comes with many features that our customers love, such as seat heating, a water heating function, a hot air dryer, and a self-cleaning nozzle. Not to mention other amazing features that the customer didn't know they needed. such as the automatic rinse and UV LED sterilization function. And finally, we'll mention that the Vovo Stylent Smart Toilet comes in white color and a size of 28.3 by 16.1 by 21 inches, while its weight is 114.8 pounds. Overall, this product delivers premium quality at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best smart toilets in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.